Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to eat all my half-eaten packages, and I want to be very, very thrifty until we see what happens with this pandemic. I hope you guys are staying warm. I think that's one of the best defenses against pneumonia. Okay, so yesterday I made rice milk. Here it is. And it makes a lot. I also made soy milk. And with the soy and the rice, I just use half a cup. I use textured soy. And then I covered it with water. And then I cooked it down. And with the rice milk, I just kept taking the milk-like water out and adding more water, and then I added sugar. And this is really good because now we're not going to be running out of milk as long as we got rice. And the soy, I will be trying to get a 25-pound bag. That turned out pretty well too. I'll be making some stuff with that. So I was able to cook the soy down so that it was so soft that I could put it in the blender and press liquefy, and then press it through a wire strainer, but it could be a cloth. And then finally the rice got so soft that I did the same thing. So that is all the liquid and rice, and it's actually pretty good, you guys. Definitely better than no milk. Definitely better than that. So I have some oatmeal that I bought at one point, so I want to eat that. And then this is how thick my rice milk came out. So I thought, well, I think I'll add a tiny bit of water and try to get it not so thick, but you could eat it, this thick too. Just a little bit at a time until you get it however thick you like it. This goes to show you when you buy the rice milk and the soy milk how really little rice or soy is actually in it. I think this is looking good now. See how it's more like milk? Okay, so now if you have some seeds, I bought these at Dollar Tree. We might have to go more vegetarian if the meat becomes, if you're combining non-meat items, the more seeds and grains you have, the better off you're going to be. I bought these at 99 cents only. At one time, I went looking for them and I couldn't find them. And then I have some raisins. So this was the biggest relief to me because for me, running out of milk would be a total and complete nightmare. And I'm going to be making stuff out of this. All right, let's see. That is good. Okay, and so then I have tuna left from yesterday. I will eat that. I have macaroni and cheese left from yesterday. I'll just pop that in the microwave when I get hungry. And I still have this big loaf of bread that I got at the food pantry, and I will probably have a tuna sandwich. Also, I have mint tea, which is the best when it's icy. So get the rice milk just in case we ever have to go vegetarian, you guys. I think the soy milk would be really good in the pea soup. I'm going to make that pretty soon. Or I'm going to make something with the soy milk that I made. You can just drink it like milk. And then in my refrigerator, I have some bacon fat, and so I will freeze that. So you want to be very, very careful with all your food and eat it down. Okay, you guys. God bless you all.